I'm Valentina Carbone, professor at SCP Europe in Supply Chain Management and Sustainable Business Model, and I'm proud to talk about a recent article, The Rise of Crowd Logistics, and another subtitle which goes with, which was published recently with my two co-authors, Aurélien Rouquet and Christine Roussat from Neoma Business School and University of Auvergne. It was published in Journal of Business Logistics. But the reason why I want to talk about this article is that I think it's a nice example of research which is relevant for practitioners. And we are proud because we received two prizes, actually, two recognitions about the value of our research. The first one, awarded by FNEGE, the French Confederation of all academic associations in management, and this prize was awarded with Consult In. It's an academic prize enabling digital transformation of companies and society. We were also awarded by the National Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals in the States, where this branch of activity is quite developed and gathers a huge community of companies and organizations all over the States. And every year they select 3 relevant research which matter for practice again. And this paper was summarized and spread over to more than 30,000 companies in a weekly newsletter. This article is the result of an exciting and intellectually stimulating adventure, putting together 3 friends and 3 scholars. We had different interests, different research fields. I was working a few years ago on the rise of the sharing economy, and my 2 colleagues were working, one on consumer logistics, and the other one was more interested in the evolution of the industry for logistics provision, the big industry, like DHL, FedEx, and big companies like that. For sure, all of you have heard about crowdsourcing, open innovation, crowdfunding, but actually we started to see emerging new initiatives, a lot of startups in the logistics industry, trying to leveraging idle assets, idle resources, idle capabilities involving consumers in the provision of logistics services. And what we propose is a typology of these different logistics services. Some of them are just anecdotal. We don't think that they will develop, but others seem very promising for changing the way flows are managed, especially in urban deliveries, for example. And so we sketched this typology, proposing possible evolutions for the different market segments. Of course, this is interesting for practitioners, for consulting companies, on how to steer, to guide the development of these new ventures, but it was also interesting more from the academic point of view, because we renewed the market, the service dominant logic, and in the way consumers can be involved in service provisions.